Four lovely cars just arrived with us. We're chock-a-block up at Pickering, so just said please drop them down with Father at Thornton. So Jack and I have just come round to do some videos and some photographs. Just done the Legacy, super clean. The Passat, I think, can only be described as a time warp. 750 miles I think this car's done. As near new as you're gonna get for a VW Passat. And obviously with 750 miles, big stack of paperwork there, guys, you'll have to look through when you come down. But yeah, everywhere you look. I'll put all that together. We'll take all that up to Pickering. Be sure when you come down to view, yeah, all the stuff's in there, look. Be sure when you come down to view to actually go through that paperwork. But yeah, lovely. Absolutely lovely. Jack, because it's a bit tricky with one hand, would you just put the bonnet up for me on this? Oh wow, yeah, everywhere. Everywhere you look, it's lovely. As you would expect, spare wheels never been on. Got the correct Uniroyal tyre on there. Looking that it's like new in the boot floor there. Everywhere. Jack and brace in there as well. Door shuts, door cards, seats, headlining. A real time warp of a car. Just have a quick look at the mileage. I think it was 750. Oh, 789. Oh my word, it's high mileage. 789 miles there, look at that. Correct period radio. Just yeah, just a real time warp of a car. Jack's just popped the bonnet up for us. Well, there you go. As I said, I think earlier on, without wanting to repeat myself, it's probably as near new as you're ever going to get. Cam belt was changed at 560 mile in 2019.